I invested again in Meta, but it was a small amount. And to build a relationship with you guys without showing my face is pretty hard, but I will tell you a couple of things which will change in the next couple of months. As you can see, I'm at almost $37,000 in my investments, and since the amount is going up, we have bigger daily profits and losses. I was already at a new record for myself with over $10,000 in profit, which is insane. And right now I'm at around $9,591 in profit overall. It is pretty huge if you look at the overall portfolio. Since it is pretty hard to gain a lot of money with a 9 to 5, I changed up my strategy and tried to build something while working in a 9 to 5. It is not that easy to earn more money with your job because you will get always the same amount except you got promoted or your boss likes you a lot. So hopefully we learned that earning more with your salary is working hand in hand with the time you're working for your company, and especially having a little bit of luck, which matter as well. And that's a pretty sad part because you are not responsible for your salary and you can't change it. You will get every month the same. So it's depending on you. If you got promoted or something like that, don't increase as well your expenses. It is very important to live below your means, invest most of your salary, and hopefully live with that one day. It will take time. You have to be patient, disciplined, and do it over the next couple of decades. For the next year, I will start to spread out my salary in different areas, like going on vacation. If I wouldn't go on vacation 3 or 4 times in a year, I for sure would have significant more money on my portfolio. But the time flies, and the experience and the places in this world in which I went is not worth the amount in my portfolio. Because one day you will regret that you never traveled a lot and did the things that you really wanted to do. And one of my passions is traveling. I think most of you are in the same situation, and you can't travel whenever you want and go to places where you want to go. And this shouldn't be a thing that you are regretting. You don't have to buy all the expensive coffee outside when you can do it on your own at home for a couple of cents instead of a couple of dollars. But sometimes having a quality of life is important as well. The stocks which I buy are risky. I really don't know if it will make me rich or not, but I know I tried everything in my power to get wealth over time. Over the past couple of 3 years, I changed a lot of my strategies in investing. I didn't want to buy single stocks for a long period of time because they are risky, but I did it anyways. I saw how much profit it could make over a couple of years instead of investing into the safe investments. And safe investments are maybe the S&P 500 or other different ETFs. There could things happen which you don't have influence about. You can read all the numbers about the stock or about the company, but if they start tomorrow doing something what the shareholder don't like, the stock will go insanely down and you don't have power about it. You can just wait, look at it, and wait until it's recover, if it recovers overall. In the past, there were a lot of companies which had great numbers, but in the end, it didn't work well. Just look at the past decades. Which companies were the top 10? It changed over the past decades every time. They are not the same companies, and that's the reason why I risk. I buy as well crypto, and I don't know if it will outperform my stock and ETF investments, but I tried that as well. Since there's no possible way to get rich with my 9 to 5, I want to switch up to cybersecurity because I think this area is more special and it is necessary to have higher income skills, and it will be there in the next decades. But it's pretty hard to start from the beginning if you don't have the experience that they want, and especially they want a senior with a salary which is insane. They want highly educated people with a lot of experience, and it's not always that easy to get experience without getting the chance to start. I'm trying that as well, and let's see what the future will bring. Thanks for watching, guys. See you soon. Bye-bye.
It's not a game, it's a